If you plan to stay in your home for a long time, preventative maintenance eventually becomes a priority, and one area to look at is the concrete. And fixing a small crack in the concrete patio or driveway will prevent further damage. The list of equipment needed for concrete repair includes self-leveling concrete repair caulk, a caulk gun, a trowel or screwdriver, a metal brush, and a small air compressor or a wet-dry vacuum. To start, you'll need to clean the area that needs to be repaired. With the trowel or screwdriver, scrape any small pieces of concrete and debris out of the crack. Take the metal brush and brush along the crack to remove the finer pieces. Then use your air compressor or vacuum to remove any remaining dirt or debris. Now that the area is clean, you're ready to caulk. Slowly move along the length of the crack as you squeeze the caulk into the space. If the caulk sinks into the crack, you can go over the spot again so it's level with the patio or driveway. Follow the instructions on the caulk for proper curing times. In most cases, it's up to 24 hours before you can walk on it and up to a week before it can be exposed to water. If you have any questions about the instructions in this video, please call HomeGuard at 855-331-1900.